Unlock the true meaning behind your data by mastering the weighted average in Excel. Let's say you want to calculate the average grade for a student, but different assignments contribute differently to their final score. This is where the magic of the weighted average comes in. First, we need to identify our values and their corresponding weights. In this example, we have items like homework, quizzes, and exams, each with a specific numerical value and its assigned importance or weight. The crucial step is to calculate the weighted value for each item. This is done by multiplying the item's value by its weight. So, for the first row, we'll multiply the cell containing the value by the adjacent cell containing the weight. Once you've entered the formula for the first item, simply drag the fill handle, that small square at the bottom right of the cell, down to apply it to all of the remaining items. Excel will automatically adjust the calculation for each row. Now, we need to sum up all these individual weighted values. Select the entire weighted value column, and then use Excel's AutoSum feature, the sigma symbol, or simply type equals sum, opening parenthesis, select the range, and closing parenthesis. Next, we need to find the total of all the weights. Do the same for the weight column. Select the entire column and use the AutoSum feature, or manually enter the sum formula. Finally, to get our weighted average, we divide the total of the weighted values by the total of the weights. This gives us the true average, taking into account the importance of each component. And there you have it, your weighted average.